Hello everyone and welcome back to our Excel training video sessions. Today we will continue with the ribbon navigation and we will take a closer look at how to print and page layout. So let's begin. Print and page layout. So by pressing Alt key you will activate all the hotkeys inside the ribbon area, and from there you need to press one button after another to just continue. So for example, if you want to go into the insert menu inside the ribbon, you need to press Alt first and then you will see those black backgrounded highlighted letters. So if you want to go to the insert, you need to press Alt and then you need to press the M button. So let's start with our first shortcut, Control P. Control P is the shortcut for print. So if you press Control and P at the same time, it will automatically open you the print page. From here, you can see that the button which says print and the printer logo is highlighted right now. So if you press enter once, it will automatically print our document. Page setup. So in order to go to the page setup area, we need to press Control and P again. And from here, if you use the shortcut Alt for print menu P and for the page setup G, it will automatically shows us the page setup window, and from here we can do different actions for our page. For example, once you open the page setup menu, it will show you the area where you can choose the settings for orienting or scaling. So in order to move between the menus in the page setup window, if you press Control and page down button, it will move clockwise. So we just came to the margins menu, and from here you can adjust the settings for the margins. For example, if you want to change the top margin, all you need to do is press Alt and the underlined letter for top, which is T, and it will automatically move to that area. So for example, you want to change that 0.75 to 1. For this, all you need to do is press 1 and it will automatically change it. So as you can see at the bottom of the margins menu, we have the center on page part. This is the part where you can basically center your table in your spreadsheet on horizontally or vertically scale. So for example, if you want to center your table horizontally on the page, all you need to do is press Alt and the underlined letter for horizontally, which is Z, and it will automatically tick that specific area which will horizontally center your data. If you want to do the same action for vertical, all you need to do is press Alt and V and it will automatically center your table. Header and footer menu. So if we press one more time Control and page down, we will move to the header and footer menu, and from here we can adjust the custom header or footer. So if you want to open the custom header menu, all you need to do is press Alt and C button and it will automatically pop up this menu. And from here you can insert page number, page dates, times, and other different options on your header. So if you want to do the custom footer as well, the shortcut for it is Alt U and it will automatically open you the same window for the footers. Perfect. So our last menu inside the page setup window is Sheet. So if you press one more time Control page down, we will move to the Sheet area, and from here we can actually select different type of printing options. For example, if you want to print your document black and white, all you need to do is press Alt and the underlined letter for black and white, which is B, and it will automatically select that option for your printing. Our last menu is Alt P, which is page layout. So if you want to open the page layout menu in the ribbon, you need to press Alt, and then from here you can see that the highlighted letter for page layout menu is P. So if you press P, it will automatically open the page layout menu on the ribbon. And as you can see here, you can also select different type of printing options like margins, orientation, size, and so on from this menu as well. So by self-editing in this area, you will be more efficient by using this area. Perfect. So we just finished our videos about printing and page layout options. Those are the main shortcuts that we use in this video. So from now on, you need to study by yourself and be efficient in those shortcuts, and we highly recommend you to go to our website hotkeysexcel.com and download our game. By downloading Hotkeys and playing through it, it will increase your muscle memory and it will make you extremely efficient and fast in Excel. So thank you guys for this video. See you on the next video.